Okay. Search stream, bro. I just unlocked this fucking one playlist there. It's fucking wild. Hey. Thoughts that are running to my head right now is so fuck. I unlocked the displacements. And they can't do this really fucking cool UI, bro. Fuck out of here. So fucking cool, bro. Let me show you. I have to put this thing on the button again. Anyway. I want to do like some payroll type of shit, right? Where you can send money to multiple people, bro. It's fucking mad. It's fucking mad, bro. Mad. You see, by the time I'm done with this thing, fuck. Anyway, I was thinking, maybe I do need like a business plan, business model type of thing. I think that it would be a really wise thing if I did, in terms of scaling up and then the way things are supposed to be said and the way things are supposed to go. I think that for now we should be able to send individual money. So let's figure it out. So we could do like, because we have the form for it. We have the form, right? So for now, this design is cool. But for now, let's just stick to the form that we have. Let's stick to the form. Let's get a loading screen. No, we have withdrawals already. We have that already. That's hey, Kuku, you do that thing. Kuku do that thing. Like you see, like Kuku do that thing. Forget it. Kuku do on. Like everything that's supposed to be there is fucking there. For it to look fucking like this, even if it's fucking working, it's fucking there. Hey! It's fucking like what, 12 in the morning. Hey, Charlie, I really built this system. Like it's not even a fucking joke. Like I really, I built a system. I built down. See analytics. Then forget yourself. This shit. Withdrawal request. So we get withdrawal request. We get name, bank name, account number, email address, phone, and withdrawal of 4K. I don't know if I should allow the option of like withdrawing specific cash, because technically we middlemen. We don't really do. We don't really be there inside this. So we can do like name of the person, account, phone number, network. So we can do phone number and network. Yeah, there's this way I want the thing to be. Then we can add like a little note reference. That would be cool. Name, phone number. Bone the bank. Bone them. Yeah, this is good. I need the system. So we can withdraw. This is we can withdraw. Get this bank bullshit from there. So business model. I think that a business model will be necessary. For me to sit down and do a business model, it will be crazy. It will be so fucking crazy. That's a good idea. So what I can do is, for Sandbox, I can just send the URL via text. I can send a URL via Telegram. So I can send a confirmed transaction URL via Telegram. So if I hit that transaction URL, and it just confirm the transaction. Wait. You know what's fucked up is if I have money in my account for a few transactions, if I have money in my account and I pay for the transaction and later the transaction fires again, if it's paid, it can't be unpaid. It's a good idea. Always happening in the back, so I think I'm in a good place. I have to buy So I think that business model is very necessary. I just realized that sometimes this thing could make so I'm coming to work on the withdrawal. And then the update. So what happens right now is everything is tallied. It's not a single figure, it's tallied. I think that it should be tallied on fresh logins. Or we can have a schedule to tally it every day at 12. If you skill the shit, bro. If you do some certain speech, Charlie. If you do you want your pay, you want payout on a specific time, specific day, scheduled payouts and shit. Go fucking mad. Oh, I spilled a pencil eraser. I don't have a sharpener. Okay, so yeah. I'm not tired because I like watch English content for like 2 hours. I have to work on Naive, I have to work on Ankashi from central job. But the central job I will commit to one week. Morally asked me, I'll say that, oh, I just got there. Ayuba just confirmed that, oh, I can proceed. So they give me some APK. I'm still trying to figure that shit out. If anybody can help me out, ask for help. Sharp move. See, the boy, he's having a tough time. That can buy me sometime. Tomorrow, bang out stuff for buy and try to go close. Okay, this is my guy.